Ladies and gentlemen, MP Materials, let's talk about it. I believe that MP Materials will go to 100 and beyond in the bull market. I want to show you something very interesting here on the charts. The first thing I want to show you is MP, right? It started tanking in October. Everything tanked in October, right? We all remember that. The good old days when everything was like, woo, everything just keeps going up, and it turns out it was the top, right? It turns out it was the top. But here we are. I don't know why I'm eating while I'm making a video, but here we are. $60, 40% discount from highs. It's after the initial dump though, right? After this initial dump in October, what happened? Like, take a look at the price action. What happened? You don't even need to learn how to read candles. You can just look at a line, right? What happened after we dumped in October? Since November, right? We can count here: November, December, January, February, March, April, right? 6 months. Holy crap, it's been that long. Wow, time just flew by. So 6 months since that initial crash, we've just been going sideways. It's just consolidating. And that's a good sign. That's a very good sign, because that means we're not going to go any lower than where the bottom is at around 40s. But that also means it's consolidating, getting ready to make that move. It's just waiting for the bull run. That's the best way to put it. That's the best way to put it. The easiest way to explain it is the fact that it took this huge dump from $100 to $50, and since then, for 6 months, it's just going sideways. Let me phrase it this way: for 6 months, it did not go lower. So then, what the hell is it waiting for? It's waiting for the bull run. And what's going to happen in the bull run? It's going to break out of this channel above 70s and go to 100, and then maybe even beyond that. So that's how you have to think about it, right? That's how I see it. Maybe people analyze it differently, but that's how I see it. I see a stock that dumped in October, got that huge dump, and then since then it just can't go any lower. It just hasn't. It's tried it and it always gets bought up. So what is it waiting for? If it's just going sideways, doing nothing, it's waiting for something, and I say it's waiting for the bull run. So I give this the buy, sell target of 100 to 120 to 150. Rare earth. Let me look at the sector. Where is the sector ETF? There's an ETF that keeps track of the entire sector. I don't know if I have it here. I have the quantum sector and the the space sector. I don't think I added it. Do I not have the rare earth? I think it's REMX. REMX? Is it REMX? Yeah, there you go. There you go. There it is. I don't think I have it on my No, I did add it to my favorites. What the hell? It's always at the top. REMX keeps track of the rare earth and strategic metals. It's the ETF that keeps track of the entire sector. You can see here on the quarterly time frame, getting ready to break out and go higher. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That's a triple bottom if I've ever seen one. Maybe even look at this. This is gonna go higher. Monthly time frame, right? Huge, huge, huge dump, and it's finally recovering. We're not in a bull run just yet. Remember that. Weekly time frame, right? Looks ready to break out and go higher potentially. We'll see what happens. But overall, this sector has been performing very well recently. You can see here by the green quarters. So, and it's bottomed out as well. The whole sector has bottomed out, thankfully. Guys, don't overthink it. I think this is a buy. Not this. I think MP Materials is a buy. Buy and hold, and I think you'll do well for yourself. Yeah, it's not going to go to the moon right away unless it gets a catalyst, but over the long term, it should perform as one would expect. Like I said, it's just going sideways for what then? And what is it waiting for? If it's not going lower, what is it waiting for? It's waiting for the bull run so that it can go higher and all the volume comes in. And I'm sure the hype will come back to rare earth materials and all that. That's just how it is. Quantum, nobody cared about quantum. Now it's pumping, right? That's all it is, guys. Just a rinse and repeat cycle, just like my videos.